There are 4 things to involve in this measurement, starting from what object we want to measure or observe, how is the object aligned or attached with its support, the strain gauge, and how is the force applied to the object. Before going into the measurement, we first need to identify what is strain. Strain can be identified as an amount of deflection or deformation of a body due to an applied force, which can be tensile or compressive. Strain gauge is the device used to measure the strain based on the principle of electrical signal. The main components of a strain gauge are broken down into these parts. This device is then attached to the desired object and will respond to the change of electrical resistance due to the deformation of the object on its surface, which acts as a variable resistor. This causes a proportional relationship between the change of resistance and the strain. To explain further, the whole system of measurement is working under the principle of Wheatsone Bridge, which involves a steady resistor and 2 other variable resistors, which respond to the deformation as seen in this illustration. Pay attention to how the voltage changes when the load is applied, and a formula can be used to describe the voltage change as the magnitude of strain. This is how the relationship is obtained through equation derivations. The strain itself is described as delta L over L. And that closes the discussion of this module, and thank you for watching.